Hello everyone, it's Sara Alavi with Coldwell Banker, and I just want to share with you news I received on Keeping Current Matters. That's a real estate website that talks about real estate market and trends nationwide. And the report was very interesting, and it indicated that many sellers have been thinking about possibly remodeling their home and whether they should refinance, stay, or move. And in today's market, believe it or not, this report was saying that it's a great time to sell your property. And here is the reason why. We have less than 6 month supply, and that's something to be considered as a really normal market. And as a matter of fact, National Association of Realtors Confidence Index Survey has released a report that right now homes are only staying on the market for an average of 27 days, and that's really less than a month compared to 36 days trend we saw in last spring. The same report also indicates that there are more interested buyers than active sellers today, which is one of the biggest factors driving home prices are higher. If you look at these maps here, it shows the average days on the market and the buyers traffic. So buyers are eager because the interest rates are low also. They're eager to take the advantage of this low interest rates and make their offers faster and quicker. And the sellers traffic also is still in a stable range, as we can see in California. And the bottom line is that there's still time to move before the school year starts. That's some areas around the end of August. Some areas are right after the Labor Day weekend in September. And a lot of people wants to settle before the school starts and the fall weather sets in. And maybe it's a time to make a change. Reach out to me, let me know what your concerns are, and if you need help to get your property ready for the market, I have a great resources that I can refer you to, and they typically don't charge any money upfront, and they get paid through the escrow when we close our escrow. So feel free to reach out to me with any questions, and I'll look forward to talking to you really soon. Have a wonderful day.